take a look at this. It comes with a very nice carrying case that you can put around your belt loop as well. Oh, this is really cool. Look at the design and style of this. Be careful, don't get your fingers in here. So this is a cable. As you can see, just snip that, no problem. Pretty thick cable as well. No problem whatsoever. Look at that. We stripped it as well. Easy to close. A nice point break tool on the top here. If you press this black button right here, this lifts all these other tools up that you have. And then you just simply pull with your fingernail a little bit and that lifts them all up. Each individual tool, just enough that you can pull it. Just be careful, as they can be sharp. You press again, and then you can let it down. Same goes for the other side. Press this will lift it up enough, and we can pull these up. Overall, just a nice multi-tool.